Welcome everyone. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of modular kitchens. Now, what exactly is a modular kitchen? Think of it like building blocks for your kitchen. Instead of traditional fixed cabinets and counters, modular kitchens use individual units that can be arranged and customized to fit your space and needs perfectly. It's like Lego for your cooking area. Why should you care about staying updated with the latest designs? Well, having a modern and efficient kitchen can make your life a whole lot easier. From saving space to making cooking more enjoyable, keeping up with the trends ensures you have a kitchen that works best for you. In 2024, sleek and minimalistic modular kitchens are all the rage. These kitchens have clean lines and use neutral colors like white or gray, which make the space feel open and tidy. They also feature hidden storage solutions like cabinets with clever compartments to keep things organized and clutter-free. High-quality materials such as stainless steel and matte finishes are used to give the kitchen a modern and stylish appearance. These materials not only look great but are also durable and easy to clean. So, if you want a kitchen that's both chic and practical, consider going for a sleek and minimalistic design. In 2024, kitchens are getting smarter. Imagine talking to your appliances to turn them on or off. That's what voice-controlled appliances do. No more touching dirty faucet handles with touchless faucets. They sense your hand and turn on automatically. Smart refrigerators go beyond keeping food cold. They track what's inside and suggest recipes based on what you have. These tech wonders make life easier by saving time and effort. Plus, they're more energy efficient, which is great for the environment. With these smart features, cooking becomes a breeze, making your kitchen the heart of your home in 2024. In modern kitchens, there's a big trend towards making things do more than one job. Let's talk about this. Imagine having a kitchen island that can move around, or countertops that can fold up when you're not using them. Cool, right? Plus, there are shelves you can change the height of to fit whatever you need to store. These designs are super versatile. They help you use every inch of space in your kitchen cleverly. So, whether you're cooking up a storm or having a cozy dinner, these layouts make sure your kitchen works just the way you want it to. Nowadays, using eco-friendly materials in kitchen design is really important. These materials are good for the environment and for our health. Let me tell you why. First, there are materials like recycled glass countertops, which are made from old glass bottles and jars, helping to reduce waste. Then, there's bamboo cabinetry, which grows quickly and can be harvested sustainably, unlike some other types of wood. Lastly, energy-efficient appliances save electricity, which is good for the planet and can also save you money on bills. So, when we choose these eco-friendly materials, we are not just helping the earth, but also creating a healthier home for ourselves. In the video, we talked about the latest modular kitchen designs for 2024. We discussed sleek and minimalistic designs, smart technology integration, multifunctional layouts, and eco-friendly materials. These designs are all about making your kitchen look modern, efficient, and eco-friendly. We encouraged viewers to think about incorporating these designs into their homes to make their kitchens more stylish and practical. By using these designs, you can create a space that suits your needs and reflects your personal style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on home design trends.